Alright, YouTube. Friday afternoon, probably 3 o'clock-ish now. I was gonna do this log I set up on here a little bit ago and didn't think I had enough gas in the motor and I didn't have no cans, so I ran up, got some, and came back and realized I was soaked and dirty from working down here all day that I changed my clothes and warmed up for a minute. But so I did yesterday end up finally changing the blade. I do got a little bit of video of it, which I'll insert here. I wasn't ready to take this off yet, but come on. See, and I didn't put this on there that tight. Wow. You know what? I might have, tell you the truth. Because one day I didn't know if I had tightened it, so I just ran over the... I felt like I couldn't remember if I tightened it well enough or not last time I was playing with it, and I ran over here and gave it a couple extra taps. Started to get some marks in my pins, but I spun them to the spots where there wasn't no marks, so yeah. I guess this isn't bad moving around. I can walk around with this one a little easier than that other one. Alright, there. I might bring along for a little bit of the cleaning, but I already moved that out of the way, the little guard, and I'm gonna slide this out of the way and get some scoops out of there too. This was what I had kicking this morning. He called up and asked if I could slide him in, and I was like, if I get the blade on and everything, and I told him about the chain, or about the bits might have to be changed, so, which I'm sure I'll get it done in time. He said he was going to knock down an oak to bring over, because the two pine logs, they look like they've been dead for a while, but I'm sure he wants live edge if he's wanting me to get the bigger blade on. I guess the biggest one's just about 20 inches or something, which I can cut 20 and 3/4 inch board. That's the tallest that blade will cut. The 50, that's the 48 inch blade. The 50, I'm guessing I'll cut maybe 21 something, maybe 22. I mean, I got those head blocks set right at 1/2 inch going over top of my arbor. So, bare minimum. Alright, be back with you in a minute. And then yesterday I had a couple things planned that I needed to get done, and Mark, a customer that's been having me mill logs for him, called me and messaged me yesterday morning and asked if I could slip them in, and I said, well, I'll message you if I can get the big blade on. So I ended up stopping my stuff. Well, I did do a little trim job yesterday, and that did tie me up until probably 12 o'clock, and then I never made it down here till 1 to start changing the blade. And then I realized that the teeth or bits were all so different in sizes that I just changed them all, and I had a lot of cleanup to do. I gutted this wall so that I can start putting, I got a whole bunch of those oak almost wiped it, 6x6s I'm going to use for poles, and then I'm going to get those 6x6 beams those 20, or 18 foot, 17 or 18 footers I got over there in the building. Hopefully up here yet. Oh, just cold. We don't usually get snow until November, so I'm gonna keep at it. But yeah, so I wasn't able to get to his logs, but he had an oak tree that he took down, and he decided he was going to have that milled too. And I told him, well, why don't you just run these logs over so that you can get the oak on the trailer, and we'll do it all Saturday morning. So that's what he did. He showed up yesterday, dropped these off, and decent logs. It looked like the worms got to them a little bit, but bark's falling off them, and I figured I'll throw them out in the rain, push them out back out in the rain to get a little dirt off them. So, but anyways, I'll quit rambling. I'm gonna fire the mill up and test the blade out, see how it does. So, all right, everyone, here we go. All right, I guess let's try this. It's been warming up for a while now, so. Oh! You guys see her sliding on the head box on the way back? Huh. Not good. My fingies are numb already. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Still pouring. gonna do one more board real quick at trim. It was one of those wormhole that were against the back wall over there. I want to use it for a shelf up in my little enclosed area in the garage. Alright, well, wow. I swear the first time I put those new bits on and cut with it, maybe I just don't remember it, but it was winter time. You know, logs were frozen then, but cutting nice. So, great. I'll be ready for tomorrow. Hopefully the rain will wash these off a little bit. It's supposed to rain into my, I want to say the hour by hour didn't even change from 80 and 100% until afternoon sometime. So he's supposed to be here at 9 in the morning. So yeehaw. At least we're under here. Most I have to go out for is to unload the oak. We usually try to back his trailer right in where the tractor's sitting, so right as it comes off the mill. And yeah, great. So I was flipping that because I was trying to save that eye in some of them. See that eye right there? And there's quite a few of them under there that have that eye perfect in the middle, just like this here on some of these fence boards. I just thought it was kind of cool, so I was trying to put that in the middle. That was some really nice color though. So, yeah, I'm gonna just leave those right like that. Alright everyone, Friday the 13th, all you superstitious guys out there, day's almost over. I've never been superstitious, but anyways, I'm gonna finish getting shit picked up here for a little bit and get my ass up to the house. I'm feeling a little bit better today, nose isn't running as bad, and hopefully I feel better tomorrow. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good night.